Hey guys, it's Bruh Airsoft here again, with another war video. We're doing a lot more this year, right, Benji? Are we ready?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Well, here's Bon Josman, and he has the Scorpion today. Andrew, stop laughing at your brother. That is very rude.
Yeah.
Hello. He's got a grease gun, and we're gonna record each other's cameras. Yeah.
Out.
He's using his M4. That's got like super sexy.
Yeah.
Super. Hey. Okay, good. He's got his dumb like
loaded?
$6 mask. It's actually pretty cool, but it's cheap.
Holy crap.
Yeah, he's got these cool like nerd glasses that make him smart in battle. Hey, don't laugh at him. Just kidding. And he's got the super aqua, nice, cool things. Alright, so I'm going to apologize before the video starts, is that our cameras are good, but we suck at recording war videos just because we're trying to do multiple stuff, and yet we have to keep the camera on you, so we're sorry if we're like pointing over here, Benji's over like here. So we're like, oh no, yeah, we're getting Benji, yeah, Benji's over here. Oh no, okay. So I apologize for the bad camera work. This is going to be a 2-point perspective, so if you like me, yes, not that kid, me, you can watch mine, or you can watch both of ours, or you can watch this kid. You can watch him and his point perspective. So the teams are this kid and that guy. He's going to post the first video because mine sucked a lot. So, yeah. So I'm going to... Hey. We have young children. Alright. Because his camera sucks balls, so we have to start. Bruh, I'm not ready. Oh god, I have to adjust my camera. Oh no. There we go. Alright guys. Sorry for the loudness. I know it's actually really loud. I watch my own videos to make sure what I can improve and what I cannot. Alright. Yeah. I'm starting a bunker. Alright. I'm pretty sure I'm loaded this time. Oh, sorry. Yep. Hey, Matthew, your pistol's back here. Your pistol. I'll put it in the cornucopia. Or not. I'll give it to him. Here, no, here. Right here. Okay. No. Benji, you're gonna be here. This is spawn point right here. Benji, this is spawn point, okay? They're flanking left and right. You take Andrew. I got Matthew. Hey, he's got an easy target. Hey, they're both on the right now. They're both on the right. Watch him. Benji, come back. Spawn point. Flank left. Go to the left.
Oh, where? There's no cover.
Go left. I got you. Benji, watch Matthews going left. Benji, stay behind cover. Find some. Flank left. Go. Let's go. Hey, watch, bang. Hey, are you out? What, are you out? Hey! Alright. Wow, 5 minutes. I can't see with this damn thing. Hey, I don't have a helmet on.
I'm not in this.
Oh, Benji. Oh, man. What a night tonight. Hey, you gotta get Tim rule. Here. Here's mine. Loaded. That's gotta hit you. Okay, I'm gonna go left or right. I'm gonna go left. Yeah, that's right. Oh, he's done. Hey. Alright, stop. You don't shoot when he's hit. Are you okay?
Yeah. In the neck.
No, right there.
Wait, is this safety?
That's not safety.
Dude, I heard more.
Damn it.
You're running like so epically. Oh.
Dude, did I drop anything? I hope I didn't. Shoot, hold on. Okay, I got everything, boys. Well, awesome. I had like 5 bullets left. Dude, I hope you don't post that on YouTube because you'd be such a crap.
Why?
Dude, I know I fell. I'm just gonna post this because I want to make fun of myself. Guys, I really don't care. I fell. Whatever, I'm try hard.
I'm gonna do it.
No, just only
Bruh.
one. Fine.
Okay.
But we got you out. You suck. Good job. Way to be a sport. Good job. Don't shoot me.
Okay, guys.
Freaking hurts like that.
Doesn't have any bullets.
I don't even care. Give me a high five.
Okay, so
Hope.
next game is gonna be the next game. No bullets at all.
I don't know.
We should just switch up the teams.
Yeah, switch up the teams.
Okay.
All right, well, you're going to see a lot more war videos. Bye. And as always, or no, please rate, subscribe, and comment. As always, Bruh Airsoft is out. Peace, guys. What'd you say?